The Groups feature in Dana Pro offers powerful tools for linking channel parameters, enabling efficient bulk adjustments. To begin, navigate to the Group Editor tab and create a new group. Assign a name to your group, then decide which parameters, delay and/or user EQ you'd like to link for this group. For example, you might choose to link only the user EQ for your newly created group. Next, move to the Group Assign tab and add the desired channels to the group. Once assigned, you'll notice that the group appears in the User EQ tab, and the individual channels included in the group are no longer displayed. Adjusting parameters within the group will automatically apply those changes to all linked channels. For a different example, you could create a User EQ and Delay group and assign channels to it. In this case, the added channels will disappear from both User EQ and Delay tabs, and groups will appear in their stead. The Outputs tab provides an overview of output channel settings, including volume and mute controls. Here, you can review details such as the output name, channel status, assigned input and DSP channel, User EQ and Delay group, if applied, along with the selected speaker preset. The mute buttons allow you to easily silence individual output channels when necessary.